In JavaScript, the array unshift method adds one or more elements to the start of the array. First, we'll need an array, so let r equals an array with 3, 4, and 5. Let's do r.unshift2. Then let's print that call out, so console.log that after console.log r after the call to unshift. If we run this code, you'll see the call to unshift returns the new length of the array, and that unshift adds the new element to the start of the array. Next, unshift can be used to add multiple items to the start of the array. So, r.unshift 0 and 1. We can get rid of printing the call, but we'll still print r. If we run this code, you'll see that unshift added each element individually. Let's try one more thing so you know how it works. If we do r.unshift an array with -3, -2, and -1, what do you think will happen? Well, if we run the code, you'll see that unshift adds the array as a single array and not each element individually. There is a way to add each element individually, but that is not the default behavior of unshift. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.